What's up, guys? It's that time of the week again, and well, it looks like it's been a quick video because the market wasn't producing as well. But anyway, if we get back to the charts, shall we? So here's the charts, and this was last week, which is yep. So we're on to this week. So we go into the daily. Go that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 5. There it is. So we go to that. There it is. Close it down somewhere along here. Now those are my higher time frame zones, right? Higher time frame zones, done. So, start of the week, we were here. We just rejected the zone, and now we were looking, well, technically we are bearish, and we were looking for sells. So what happened on Monday? Well, as you can see, not much actually happened. Price pushed down, pushed up, and that was a no trading day. And same thing with Tuesday, but I mean, London session wise wasn't really an opportunity, but as you can see, we had a breakdown, came up, but what happened was you can see that New York had an opportunity and provided a sell. So London came down, broke the structure, came back up, and it was actually New York that was the one that actually pushed down. That you could have get the setup in. That was a quick 35 pips, roughly. Anyway, but London session wise, again, it was a no trading day. And if we go, don't mean to do that. If we go to, yeah, and it was looking bearish, but now we've tapped into the lower week, previous week low. So we weren't really looking for sell. Well, it's still bearish. Trend is still bearish, but we weren't really looking for any trades through it because the probability is that you're going to push up as we did there. As you can see, tapped in, pushed up. That's what happened. And then price came back down again and then pushes up. Now, you see, the importance here is we were bearish, but we were at previous weekly low, so we wouldn't take a trade. Price came and rejected the previous weekly low, came back down, tapped into it, and then pushed up and broke structure. As you can see, it's broken structure here. If it wants to draw on properly. Good. Now, if we go here, as you can see, Thursday broke structure. Now we are looking for upside. Now we broke structure, came down, and Friday came along. And what happened is, we had Asia low, which was about here, and it was roughly around the psychological level of 182. Not just that, but if we get the zone on, set the actual zone on, which is Asia low right here. Get the session zone on. Where did it go? Well, you can see I already marked it out actually. So you could have targeted up here, which is a session zone, previous London zone. But price came up, tapped into the 183 psychological zone. So from 182 to 183, you could have captured 100 pips. So if we go to the actual setup, if I can go to it, yeah, there it is. What happened was we had a buy. From here, price came down, lower wick, close up there, and then of course you'd have your stop loss below the zone, and then you could target either here or you could just hold it till session close. Now, if we look at that, Price came down to Asia low, which is the 182, and pushed up, which you can see in the hour break above, came down and pushed above. And then you can see the US came back down again. So we had the break of structure, so we are now bullish, looking for upside. Price came down to retest the 182 and then pushed up. That was that. However, on Thursday, although it's against the trend, although it has tapped into it, you can see that you could buy because it's a very strong zone and you could have strong probabilities in your favor. So if we just get this high, get that there, you can get a potential entry. We had a break and retest where you can see price came up, broke above, closed. Then we had this huge rejection off here. And then a stop loss below the zone. And then where are we targeting? You can target, again, session close really. Session closed above there, but if we were to have an actual target, if you look to the left, you could have had a target right there. So then that was basically last week. Not much happened, first off, you see, because we were playing around we were dancing around the previous weekly low, so there wasn't really much, low volume, bit of consolidation, but when we actually broke out and had a trend, we had big trades. Big trades coming in. That's basically what happened for this week. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys are staying tuned, well, thank you very much, guys. But I'll see you guys probably next week. So catch you guys later.